Hey, happy Friday out there, everybody. It's Keith from Jets PC. That means it's another episode of Tech Tip Friday. Before the tip, today we are testing the Snowball Ice model A00122 little USB microphone. This one comes with no stand. It's got the USB cable to it and the microphone. It's listed at $20 plus tax. If you need a used mic, come by and see us. We've got a whole shelf of them. Today on Tech Tip Friday, Newegg is continuing to run those combo offers like I'd spoken about. You save some money and you can build a brand new PC and save a little bit of money. Now, granted, it's not going to be pricing, but it does offer some savings. Today they got a Ryzen 7 7700X 3D CPU, an Asus B650 motherboard, and 32 gigs of Corsair DDR5 for like $813. So there are some savings to be had there. So if you want to build a new desktop, go check out Newegg. Maybe Amazon is running the same thing, but I tend to order from Newegg to keep all the parts in one place, and it makes warranty work a whole lot easier as well. I'm also going to update that AM4 desktop I've got out for sale. It has a 5500 in it. Well, after this morning, it'll have a 5600 in it. That way you gain PCI Express 4.0 speeds and all that kind of good stuff. I'll keep the price the same at $950 plus tax, 2-year hardware warranty. So come by and see us. We're Jets PC, 7543 Grissom Road Suite 121, and we're open Tuesday through Saturday, 10 to 7. Thanks for tuning in, and by all means, come by the shop and see us. Y'all have a good day.